in Barkly East, this is in the Eastern Cape, are scrambling for shelter for their animals as they prepare for the expected cold front and snowfall. They fear that their livestock will die due to cold and hunger, citing a lack of resources and support from local officials. Temperatures in Barkly East are expected to drop to -1 degree Celsius. Newsroom Africa's Liema Vumisa has more.
Coming to you in Barkly East, and that is, of course, as we build up the momentum to the expected snowfall that is expected to fall this very same Sunday afternoon, and of course going through to the next week. Right now, we are still trying to gather as much sentiment as far as preparations are concerned and how the residents really of this particular area are trying to prepare for themselves ahead of that cold front, together with the rainfall and snowfall that is expected. Freaky, who is a farmer in this very same area, is joining us right now to expand on that. Thanks very much for joining us. Perhaps you can enlighten us then on I understand you're a farmer, you have livestock here. Yes. How do you prepare for them in such cases of cold fronts?
Yes, the important thing is the preparations actually is a whole year round preparation. We have to keep our stock in good condition all year round so that they can survive cold fronts that are predicted like the one coming. It's not just a 1 or 2 day preparation. You can't take skinny livestock in bad condition through a cold front like this one coming. So that's why I say it's a whole year through preparation. In summer we give a lick to keep them, to utilize the veld to its maximum. And then going into winter we change the licks to something with more energy so that the livestock can build up extra fat and to carry them through difficult times. And then just before a cold front like this, we bring them down from higher up camps from the mountains to the lower areas that's got shelter, natural shelter, bush and long grass, and out of the wind as much as possible, because that's the way nature does it. Sometimes it's not a good idea to put them in sheds and let them go hungry and then take them outside. Then you're also doing no good. So we tend to learn from nature. What does nature do? We change our breeding season to just before the harsh winter and to just after the harsh winter. And we also prepare lands with green feed so that we can maintain the stock in lambing season. But fortunate for us, this cold front is not in our lambing season. So we don't have big threat as to lose a lot of lambs. The farmers that do lamb the April-May lambing season, the lambs are big enough to survive this cold front.
All right, thanks a lot for speaking to us. So that is, of course, the sentiment then of, rather from one of the farmers right here in Barkly East. He is saying that he has done all sorts of preparations here ahead of this cold front that is expected.